Okay guys, today a short video. I'll show you how to actually delete files, because if you delete stuff, if they're not like very messy files, they're actually not gone. So let's say you have a file here, you want to delete it, doesn't matter, it's on your screen, your downloads or whatever. Usually maybe, let's say you press either right click and delete or just delete on your keyboard. But even if you do this, the file is actually not gone. Let's say I'm gonna press right click, delete, you think, oh, it's deleted, I have more space. No, it's not. You go to your desktop, you see top left, maybe you moved it other place, recycle bin. So you either open it and manually delete it or right click, empty recycle bin. And yes, so basically if it's not like huge, maybe gigabyte files, they would ask, they can put it on the recycle bin, they said delete it. If not, then all your files will go here. So if you need to delete them, you can delete them. If not, you can just move them out again. Let's say I'm gonna make a file. I wanna delete it, be like, oh no, I actually need it. You open recycle bin, and you have it again. Hope this video helped. See you next video. Bye.